Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saskia Manda, NPM 224-11113 from Management Class 22C. Here, I will explain the material about text subject and text object. The concept of text subject and text object are fundamental to understanding the structure and operation of taxation. They form the core framework for determining who is liable to pay taxes and what specific assets or activities are subject to taxation. Next, introduction to text subject and text object. 1. Text subject. The text subject refers to the individual or entity that is legally obligated to pay taxes. This can be a person, a company, a trust, or any other legal entity recognized by the tax system. 2. Text object. The text object, on the other hand, is the specific asset, income, or activity that is being taxed. This could include income, property, good, service, or any other economic activity that is subject to taxation. Next, definition of text subject. The text subject is the person or entity that is legally responsible for paying taxes. This responsibility arises from the individual or entity's connection to the specific text object. It can be a natural person, a legal person like a corporation, a trust, or even a non-profit organization. The tax subject bears the ultimate liability for paying the tax, even if they are not the one directly involved in the taxable activity. Next, type of text subject. Individual. This category encompasses all natural persons who are subject to taxation. These include employees, self-employed individuals, retirees, and even minors who may be subject to taxes on their income or asset. Corporation. Corporations are legal entities that are formed under specific laws and are separate from their owners. They are subject to taxes on their income, profit, and other activity as defined by the tax system. Partnership. Partnership are business structure where two or more individuals or entities agree to share profit and losses. The partnership itself is not typically considered a tax subject, but the individual partners are responsible for paying taxes on their share of the income. Next, definition of text object. The text object is the specific asset, activity, or income that is subject to taxation. It is the target of the tax levied by the government. Is crucial to differentiate the tax subject from the tax object. Well, the tax subject is the entity responsible for paying. The tax object is what is being taxed. Next, type of tax object. 1. Income. This includes wages, salaries, profit from business, investment income, and other forms of income earned by individual and corporation. 2. Property. Real estate, vehicles, and other assets are subject to property taxes. The, these taxes are typically based on the value of the property. 3. Good and service. Sales taxes are levied on the sale of goods and service, and these taxes are often passed on to the consumer as part of the purchase price. Relationship between tax subject and tax object. 1. Tax subject. The tax subject is the individual or entity responsible for paying taxes. 2. Tax object. The tax object is the specific asset, income, or activity that is being taxed. 3. Tax liability. The relationship between the tax subject and tax object creates a tax liability. The liability is the amount of tax owed by the tax subject based on the specific rules and regulation of the tax system. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.